So hello guys, how are you? I have discovered another platform of advolling.com. Here I am on advolling.com and let's see their features and their providings. I have heard that by my friends that they are providing massive rewards and massive incomes on shares and their deposits. Let's visit their website. Here they are saying transforming ads into wealth and here is a good news that we can also download their app into our mobile phone. If we want to work from mobile, we can also do work from mobile. So here there are three easy steps of open an account, making deposit and withdrawing of funds. They are also providing referral bonusings like 5% referral bonus and 10% of earning commissions. It's not bad, it's really good. Let's go down and there are some FAQs and let's start their platform. Here we are on a registration page and they are demanding my name, email, username, password, confirm password and upline ID. Let's register on it. Upline ID is the referral ID, like you can register by any referral ID on this platform. If you do not have any referral ID or your friend's ID, you can just contact the admin and then you can get any of referral ID from the admin. He will. So I have registered successfully on it and they are representing a banner that earnings are only available on business days like Monday to Friday only, as markets are also open to Monday to Friday and weekends are closed. It's a nice and attractive dashboard. Let's scroll down and here are its current shares pricing like $5 to one share, I think so. I have currently 0 shares here and 0 income and 0 USDTs in my balance. Let's go to their shares packages. I can see their one share is costing about $5 and sorry, I have not purchased any shares here, and 5 shares about 25% and respectively. We can invest to bigger amounts, like we can go to $5 lakh even, and then we can get bigger gains like 10% monthly of $5 lakh investment. That's nice. And I can just invest here and get 10% of my share. We can also get bonuses income like its surprise and rewards are more rewards, like they can provide me more and more rewards on my platform investments. I will get referral deposit of 5% and referral ROI of 10% too. Let's deposit some funds here. I will deposit about $100 for starting here and I will do by USDT ERC20. Pay now. And here is the company wallet address where I will deposit the amount, and then I will choose a screenshot here and then submit it. So after depositing, I have $100 here in my account appeared. I have successfully deposited about $100 here, and successfully. The good news is that they have not deduct any fees of deposit here. Like I have deposited $100 and there are $100 in my account. 0% fee platform. That's nice. Let's go to their Advolling coins. Here it's the best thing that their current coin price is $0.001, and I have heard some predictions that Advolling coin prices might reach up to $0.1 or $1 by 2026 or end of 2026. So I can also purchase some coins from here, like I can purchase 10,000 coins or 10k coins by just $10s, and I will get to coins after. I am currently on their invest page and I will deposit about $50 of shares. As I have $100 in my account balance, I will spend about only $50 on shares from my account balance spent. I will get about 10 shares and I have successfully made deposit. I will check my details and here I have appeared 10 shares of myself personally in my account of $50 and there are $50 remaining in my account. Means I have investment of $50 on this platform. Furthermore, I can check my shares history from there, like I have 10 shares of costing $50 and they will expire on this date, and I can get to daily 1% ROI and it will increase by day to day to 10% monthly. Furthermore, If I go to my earning history, my earning record will appear here, like if there is 1%, 2%, 5%, 10% or any of bonuses or income rewards, there my earning history will appear. And I will wait for my earnings. Like I can just invest and forget about my investment, and in future it will help me. It's like just insurance or shares purchasing that are going only up and up. Let's go to their affiliates and referral pages. Here I got my referral link that I can copy and send to my friends. So any one of my friends or family members will register from this link, I will get 5 to 10% of referral deposit bonuses from AdValling platform on their deposits. So that's a very good thing, and I can build up my team and tree system here also. Furthermore, they will provide me random bonuses and random deposits on my earnings and on my investments. Let's go to their AdValling coins. AdValling coins is the best thing of this platform. Like I can purchase 10,000 coins of just $10. Let's purchase some coins, and here I have 10,000 coins of just $10, and currently my account balance is remaining at 40. Means ke I have invested about $100 on this platform, $50 on shares and $10 on coins, and still I have $40 in my account. And I can easily withdraw that money also if it's spare in my account, but I can invest in share packages too if I don't want to withdraw them. Although let me teach you their withdraw system. I can withdraw by three methods. I can P2P transfer to any of users on this platform. Like if I want to refer these USDTs to my friend or family member existing on this platform, I can enter his username or her username here and enter amount here, and then withdraw will be transferred to his account or her account. Like if I transfer $40 to $30 to any user, I can just put here username and their amount, and amount will be transferred to her. Here our record will appear like sender, receiver, amount, fee and time also. And if I want to receive direct withdrawal, I will go to direct withdrawal, and I will set up my wallet address here. I will put up my wallet address here. Like I have put my USDT wallet address here, and I have updated my wallet address. Then I will go to withdraw and simply withdraw my money to my this wallet address. Here appearing that I have 40 USDT in my account and that are equal to 8 shares. I will withdraw about $40 here, and I will do withdraw. Here they are deducting about $2 of fees, and I will receive about $38 in my Binance or in my wallet address that I have put there. Withdraw now. So successfully my withdrawal has been completed, and I will receive withdrawal in some few minutes. Like its status is pending, it will be paid within some minutes. So let's refresh our page, and my withdrawal status has been paid, and I have checked my account, and my $40 have also been appeared in my account. Means that I have received my withdrawal successfully from this account, and simply as of investment, I have invested about $10 shares, about $50 here, and I can receive their withdrawal too. As here you can see, I have withdrawn about 7.6 shares withdrawal respectively to fees, and my total withdrawal is of 8 shares. And I can also withdraw my coins and make them transfer to other users if I want. If I want to transfer some coins to my other user or my team member or my family member or any partner, I will just enter his or her username here, and I will enter the amount number here, and my coins will be transferred to her or his username. So we can do many other things on this platform. Like we can earn random deposit bonuses and random rewards here. They are also providing